Have you ever heard about ghee? With an ever-growing search for healthier foods, a different kind of butter has been gaining fame: ghee butter. Did you know that to make ghee, you remove all lactose and water, leaving only the fats of butter? That's why ghee is almost imperative for lactose-intolerant people, or for those who follow a balanced diet. It is also used in Ayurvedic medicine and in Indian culture as a healing and rejuvenating food. Are you enjoying the video so far? Then give us your opinion to help us know how we're contributing to you and your health. Also, leave a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. If you like butter, ghee goes perfectly well with everything that takes butter. Do you want to learn the recipe? Write down the steps. To make ghee, you will need 8.8 ounces of unsalted butter. Put the butter in a pan and melt it over medium heat. When a white foam begins to form on the surface, lower the heat. Cook for around 5 minutes, always stirring, until the remaining foam sinks to the bottom of your pan. When your butter stops bubbling, it is ready. Turn off the heat and strain the ghee through a cheesecloth to remove any milk solids left. Store in a heat-resistant container, closed at room temperature. Ghee doesn't need to be stored in a fridge. Wasn't it super easy to make? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.